by the way haroho okukureba ngo the other thing was well
kikaba kiri well structured tinkumanya nkoko bagunka mwana wanje Bright cyo yatugambiri umiyame support of UPDF nkaba nindeba ahashonga yo kugira uno umuhinji ningasho mworo uriya Bright we takatera amasinde na yetaga miliyoni emu. Is it true? Miliyoni emu waje mukwasa naza kugitwara agiteka mu kintu hari hakuza kuzitamo. It is true. Umuntu yabe natera nko mbaze nkayitaruguto kashanga we umurimo gwa no kubazire nkayito nabasa kugira taza mbenyenda capital yo gura soro abantu nibeja habe nkayito zabo stretchere sore hoireho benda mongerero sore nkayito yenaje jukunda ibi bintu kantu bukoro kare haza hina abakubukoro ubwo mu sente ogwenza umuyamba. Now, but there are few washanga nka percentage yo kubasa kwate sente kazite ko muchimukano bakikozesa atagire kushashuri banje atagire kuzitere kigombe kuzite ko mukindi kintu which was not meant to be ababantu ninka 2%. Na ndio nindebo mu records nashanga ngo ebiro bakaba biro mwenda byo kwamushanzo 2019 government ya Uganda ekwatanise n'ekigombe kiba kweta Food and Agriculture Organization of United Nations FAO bakasayininga nanka bakaronchinga ngo nobenda gukora embazi yo kurwanisa ngo mujurize kinaba ninshoma nareba Uganda negurarta emitwaro bishatu nshanjo no emitwaro ashatu na mushanjo yembazi yengo akorga hero umbazi ubonko go kwitengwa negurarta emitwaro ashatu na mushanjo igarake gura emitwaro manana nengumisha daritazi zo kurwanisa endware zikoretwe ngo nkamashi agago bagaryo muntu mujurizi nashanga government ya Uganda ninga tere government ya Uganda abanya Uganda because taro government iche kubatera na shiringiga umukugure mbazi ngo farmers buy mbegure mbazi themselves nibashoza billion bishatu pa annum. Now 300 billion ngaraka ndeba nyuguza 300 billion ARVs tukakora can't we use what we used on ARVs acho no manyatu onkumibara na mshanju
what did we do on
ARVs tukombeka echoma chimba pharmaceutical industry bakombeka cyo nanke cyoma kiri mu Kampala ninga factory yekora ARVs tujino mu Uganda bakajombesa miliyoni za dola miliyoni 38 abwachi Uganda tinkumanya ubahina kucinyijegwamo hine policy maker no mabamba kora policies nkana kugambira tucurungi kushanga nka minister ariyo mbiya mashomero no war kustama cabinet kora decisions on how they should regulate the quality of secondary schools kandi nawe are beneficiary waga mashomero
twashitari kirungi
because imparo control imparo nka abanjeteki tukarga yoka ukagambarira je kitongore churunju twakushanga ngwiwe oryombi ori among the importers bembaziyente ekwitengoha haza niyo kustama cabinet yo gukora decisions zo kuregulating quality yembazi abantu nchenga hati naibuza kwe bayombekere cyoma kirwa $38 million bakachombe kachikayamba ambazi ibembe ya hero turya mahanga make by the Africa gine byomebe Uganda was inclusive kugira ngo to reducing ARVs nco kureba abantu abakwitwa slim hata bakacende because the cost yembaze ekazaho hansi abo kuba ntijukora thermal transport costs kuma abene mwenda kuyamba abahinje n'abarisa ninga shabarisa bente ninga shabarisa bembuzi aba bari kurwana nengoha abwacho takubaretera eco coma nkico kace okachombe ko mu Uganda okareta bakugabantu kabaryo kabashomere Uganda no makerere no kuyakwategenda na FAO abwacho batakwata bakafuna abantu abashomere makerere abo bakabatera n'abantu abakuturumanga garden makabantu abashomere ebyente kare byo bakumanya ababakugu bakombe ke come cyo bakakorre mbaze erkwitengo haza abakengwanza zukushaka mbagumana bakora embazi ne bukoze nazigumane zeyindura no basa ko weno rebe barabara hati ushanga stachura ro guhubundu bucu kuzara manonga konka no shanga ngo nembaze mu tukubantu stam ne mwargize rukuzeretera zazara manonga ugaruko yebuza kumwana mureteje mbazi yona. Where is Uganda Bureau of Standards? Abgache abahingi nanindika futera mabu nambuza mtakayizira bishi eche nambuza nti hakabaho ronche yabere yo kutongoza mbazi gwente hazake yabereho keriye 2009
Minister Mao
na I talked to my mother nambuza ente wanu numuzogesa chataraga wiwi atunomanyinte ngo azachifata ntutamumbazi gwenyanja wazo mbanta barisa benji ente zenjungu zona tizacine mesho numinto y'umwaka gumene yafira mesho ente tuzukure no mixture yombazi gwenyanya na nogo bakuteka nawo abantu baryo befa mixture yombazi gwenyanya nabaguterana no gugubaguro gwente uguba kugira ngo gwitengo ba mixing haza no gugwitengo.
How did they come to that?
Now, hata hono abanyayuganda no bari. Ije kintu gamba it is evidence no gukwate sumato katero umunanko umuntu muri sawe na kafutero. Bakugira ngo ayita hata nje kwitengo konka cye itengo ha utakamanya effect yacho hanyama yentejo. Bukozo gumba tukuzambira gwente konka no gutaha no misiyago no misiyente. Kukutaho misoma ejo niyo nyama yitukuri. Abwacha abantu kansaze yonji. No kwatake mbabasa norengo mba abantu abashomereza za chemistry za biology no kwate no basa kwata chemical moji take nkaha and there is no issue konka wareta chemical ndijo kajimixinga neji oreba nkoro papura rwasi.
Yes.
Now okukwata mbazi gwenyanya ukagumixinga no mbazi gwende that chemical reaction nergamu mene producing ekintu cyo takumanya nco kureba waza irwaraha noreba cancer patients urawaho man tumors all the time ebukureta tumors nibye bibikurwa mbazi eyibariyo eyibakurwa eyibakwata bakana. Now menani nkubuzaho abayinje exactly nibenda miliyoni emwe bomwe abahirembe bo mukaje bahereza. Have you followed mwabombekera factory kubasa kurugamu embaze kubaye kubasa kufugira? Do Ugandans need direct cash? They need incentives to be in place at a cheaper cost kubayambo kurwanisa embaze ryo munyanya kubayambo kurwanisa embaze nanke ebintu kubasa kwitengo. That is my approach. Eze sente zorno retangu ni miliyoni 10 nozhereza ngu tuziteke pa parish. If that medicine was converted kugira ngo barete mbazi kugira ngo umuntu arasagura umbazi gwenyanya gutera ekayona ahamutwaro gumu amagoba tomorrow nige yongera na nogo umuntu yabana is billion zibishate abantu abanyayuganda zibakushoza mbazi yente noza kushanga bazi convertinga ne bashashura abakozi ne namba yente yayiyongera na standards of living zayiyongera in wrong run.
Now, why don't we see those things being like twine bakubireba twine because now noreba buri kintu cyakwenchikorwa kuchikurema kukorwa no yebuza what is lacking.
No, we need to understand nanga majority what should come first in this government. As you muri government yanejezo kurwana sobworo umbantu nicyo kubanchikorwa first na nirabuze kibuzo abanyayuganda nebetaga kashi. Umunyayuganda hari na yetaga kashi yenyine ninga nenda kusumira yazo mu drug shop yagora mu mbazi go kwitorumbu ashange ngo ngo gwenyine okwitorumbu abachitombekere those factories in regions.
But you see all those return to Gambo Benjamin beyond Gambo Humuyanga where agriculture is the backbone. How much investment in agriculture? Because now investment means
of the total budget ya Uganda 72% of Ugandans are employed by agriculture directly. That according to Uganda Bureau of Statistics. Directed. Yes. Mahobari. Mbakujangwa ente zonka nzirebera over 2 million Ugandans. Abakuzi dependinga. Ente zonka. now washanga ngo aba bantu okwenda kurwana so bworo turi kutandukura kubaha umurisa wente takwenda miliyoni umuhinji w'umwana nyoto mi uwo hiro mwana akaguhinga eje shata kwenda miliyoni ya sente ngo agire kiyaza kwetandikira yogo pan nayenda ngo yaguro mbazo mu drug shop yagufuye ro mwana kongo mbazo gwaguzere at subsidized price because of no jezo kuyamba. Remember agriculture as a sector, the whole sector employing 72%, tabakuja even 5% of the total GDP.
Now where is the seriousness?
Okuba
serious kure.
Okuba serious.
Mazo ndeba mahango zandiza randiza iba bashabatungukire kure biri mu buhinji. Ntureba uko abantu bakora the seriousness investment naki.
Tari wihanga mu juri zero kura government ibinte bihira mwenga. You cannot abandon agriculture like that. Tukajiro tembazer ku eguza kutuyamba bwaci numuzaguma rero ibintu bije mbabiyetaro it is recurring. No yanga kuteka sento mu agriculture kurejyote ngo mbaze fame gwa kuza kozesa famo garwaro arakore nyama gereta rabo mutawoni aceza kuri sente ya gereta rabo mutawoni bagirya orgaho zahirwaro ushanga abantu babyamerera ngo barwi kunkibizo bukarganka umukurya kargo mukurya abanyayuganda no barya ki no barya nyamaki
ni muzika
mukira revo yo kugira ngo inyama yente kambe ngerekere ingere nyoni nzafamu ebakate bintu kuterente burukwezi mpura najiro ubwo bantarakuza kurya inyama nakurya ki ente first and foremost nibazugomora abakatu harebugatu byo gumarente munebukatu bya vitamin ucerga kugitere bakatu bigaruko gitera umudero mbazo gwendo gitera okuso gitera cyo mweno shanga interior no mbazo konka hato yebuza warukuza kurya nyama obwene heze tukufa bakere bernenda ngo gite cicaro niyo bakushanga babagera umukatari no har kurejoritinga nyama yitu kuryo mu town nabamwe ngo naba district really is it true ngo nyama bagitomara abo bagitestinga so this is the now kokushanga abarwire baryo mu marwaro ngoye buze exactly nikizi cyituru nani ndebe mburizona ngimwazo ntayero ho factory emo ekora kahunga kuba kusupplyinga nko mu United Nations ubitongere bya aba World Food Program ubwo mushana bamuha contract yajate Benjamin mndiro gukora research iki umunanka gonanka kubansenshiro maramagwizoba narugana avuga imotoka kanje naza umuriti gumushije n'umwana wanje nzeye kumbuza challenges zo kushanga mbicoro niki anzat Benjamin out of 15 vehicles zikutaho umunanka mu factory iki ikumenenza garra nkamwita out of nware tanka fisozi ikumeneyitana wena kujati itano nuzo kushanga zino nkebicoro buri aflatoxins are everywhere.
Nyongwe na jonjora abo kubana akorora bari abakwenda umuti.
Ati ne tomato y'abantu.
Kanja tichecho. Ati mu mujyabantu cares for you.
Aflatoxins nize bibwo biryo mbicori. Ebana cero mu itaka. Bakayihamo burwire fango.
But you see aflatoxins ezo no gamba not a problem to a black person.
No the problem. Why are cancer patients increasing and they are coming from the village?
But then why are the people in charge not bothered about it?
Now that is where the question now comes in. What should we do as government? Njona gambera ayiba binjira because ushike oriya kugure cicoro kiriye cha yashanga tarmafu akan yanzara to Benjamin at I went myself na hinjire bicoro acres and acres I think abisiya habkabi ni zero aflatoxins bakabi tarmu butwa obobaga because of how I handled it. Now nyebuza can't government teka basa kwatanisa no mushija nkogu bakamanyo ko bakwera farmers amba ko kuza kinjira district banja ngo we bintu that under control twine ababanta bakweta extension farmers ababanta bakutekokwe kuza kusensitizing farmers.
Are they working really?
Kongana bakugira ngo they did the sensitization, they got the allowances oshkom farmers hino barashira bakareba who is doing the monitoring kumukuteka ho sente ngwezi nezo kushomesa ba farmers ahabinte bukwaterera no kuba kushomugana bajoretingera quality y'ebicori mugaraka mu bakora terramanye babashomesi. How come buri chumwe cyakashatu cy'ebicori bukwingo mu Uganda they have issues? Ahabwachi Kenya several times ebinjire ebicori bya Uganda ntubyana ko mwitaka ntubyana ka twine ntundu bad. Do farmers need cash? Tugaraka question ejo. When we answer that question, we shall do what is needed to develop this country. Tukubasa kukwata abantu nyondi nga agoromara bugutu hunga government tingoro. No basa kunya I'm not in support of government. No, I support things which do work. Are you evacuate economics that works? That economics does not work. A poor person tarkweta cash, a poor person needs right thing, needs incentives. Kuna nguryo kumhom bazi kwa bashagwenyanya gumu.
Then that means even PDM will get challenges because it is cash.
Bamba ha cash. Icho kinyomenti ncheru. Na ndema measures na baba jangu the most content ameza gashimukwanga sigaro mbichoro should range between 13 to 14%. Moist content eri mbichoro kuza kujango preserving age. Ebyo bichoro bagira ngo there is a scientific measure iyo kushanga ngo nobasa kunanka nobasa ebichoro kubimesharinga atiyo mwenu woryo mumakaga. Echo kubanza bagira ngo kwate a grass etine chere mucho. Then ojizemu ojite half yeje glass oteke mebicho enjuma zebichoro. Kwa herize kutama enjuma zebichori okwate amaze. Baja no okwato ekijiko cyo monyo akajika kacha kashukara ko monyo ukateko mu glass ejo. This is science of mixing eji. Then oteke mu kwa mixing otata mamizi kwa shaking kurunji ukaza kureba ukashanga umonyo kwatire a grass obino mango bichore bichoro mamizi garika y'ibyaniki. This is science. Itakwetaga because webe retom factory beina koma ko bakuza kubita mu moisometa nakoma kakumejaringa ebichore byona bishangira factory ejo atkunga yagarkanye gisogo musheja ataba abantu kunogera ngo government nebegesa bayija bakushanga ngo ni program yo buhinji no bulisa babegesa bono basa kwemerero to mu cyaro ukamanya ngo ebichore byo runoza kutunda bichoruma mezi haza kuwa birete naza kushare beyabi aho kana kubigira ati nyino kubanza kubyanaka kwate grasi yawe etari mezi ugiteme bichori bishikenka hafi yabyo otemaka jiko ko monyo obishakinga kurunji olindo okache waro monyo gwa kwatara grasi nkibanje manisa ngo amezi gakiriyo mu bichore. If tubukweta science yona ni wenda no chikoro ko mucyaro hati uyono ture. So ukugira ngo wakubereta kuvugira ngo biye musente zirireyo at least ebichore bibiteri. But is that sensitization? Has government done that? Question here, does a poor person need cash?
Kisigara nchera rikiriza munonga abo kuba already esente zo kumanye sente acharo hafa umuntu baye bakwire miliyoni ari kibira nkikubanza ningi wenka waferwa inkwamye ngo umuntu nabwo munjo mu kuje twine sente umushawo nezachi. So esente zine bizubinje kubasa kuzitwara kandi you know it is really tempting. Koko wano gamba nayibuza atubire bichore bakubingana bize ebintu tukubiryo ago ya nanda kusera bari abakuchebera ngara ebe byome binde bitakumanya byo nibisa bipaka ngo bunga bandika amazina bibutoma maduko mutawunomu
nabamwe tubandikira abamwe no shanga karwayite ngweje nikirini abanyayuganda nibyo bakurya
ya chikuru twabweta amazina Roman food Roman super Roman chi mbaba zonka nuzura tumare akire kitwa yo nikahogira kagambo kuwasigira abakutureba.
Umunyayuganda iwo ryokwe government tubasa kugitwara rubwire kwereza those incentives because every program of government nkagambara Saturday ntukubura wareba program no wakura umuntu wenda aine faces ibiri hariho umujuruzi wo kureba aha hariho umujuruzi ugwo munda mwene wakwetije
the inner me,
the inner you. So now whatever government program is some of them primary objective of monetary yokuyaho, some of them konga kukuna ni gambaro nti operation worth creation at least take a of all of them. Na wale bumuntu na tuna promoting ekintu nabasa kubari supply yawe ekintu so shange ngwari na kisinda kana kisindikiriza is not exactly the beneficial. Waba no sharu rebchori byo making sure to wabyandika mu itaka kugira ngo kujyambe nchakare bitazama aflatoxins ningashi obwo butuwa kandi wabireto mukatare babyange ni wanoza kubyerira utabyana ko mu itaka. Abantu abaryo nibogesa imboziente zabo kugira ngo baziyengoha bakumixing embazi eje mbazi umwarye nyamera ku rugomo neza kubarwaza cancer mu byegendesereza
yabari mnonga Benjamin wabari kwija no kwegesa yecho tuteka ngo tugamba then hagicarugamo icyarugamo kigiri cyamanisa abukubi wanareba niwe niko kureba ibintu ebi mbesha tembazi kereta cyitangwa abantu bayiya bato uko kuyiya turi tubuza kuri safe nukoruga muki so ni byebi tubasima mwe bari kureba bit program y'igine kigumizamu namba nati twazo mu byimizano utargaho kugina TV West.